you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, boys, I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm excited for today's video. Oh my days. Let me quickly use my Asian powers to unbox this bad boy with these chopsticks. Ready? Oh, Jesus Christ, here it is, boys. Right here, boys, we've actually got something from a company called PHAT. If you guys have never heard of PHAT, basically they are premium steering wheel cover company. Literally, these are stitch-on steering wheel covers. They come in literally all different materials that you can customize yourself, which I'm actually going to show you guys how you do in a second. They come in Alcantara, they come in like performative leather. So just before I open this and show you guys what I got, I'm actually going to go back in time and show you guys my whole process of buying this. Hello, Pastor Michael. Okay, alright then, boys, so I'm currently on the PHAT UK website, and basically we are going to be creating this steering wheel together. So obviously on this website you can actually customize obviously the left side of the steering wheel, so these bits, and you can also customize the top bits. So what I'm actually planning on going for is Alcantara on the right side, and the right and left side, so you know, we get that racing grip when we're going around corners and stuff like that. Top and bottom of the steering wheel, let's see, so we want this bit to go, these two bits performative. Mate, this, I did not pass English, so this is the one with the little dots. They look absolutely sensational on a car. Trust me, we're going for that on the top and bottom. That's going to look sensational. Now, obviously, we've got a white and black car, if you guys don't know, so we're going to get a white stitching colour. We're going to get a centre line, of course. We want a white centre line. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add it to cart, and we're actually going to purchase this bad boy, and hopefully in a couple of days, we will get it and we will install it. Well, you'll probably, if you're watching this, we probably have. So then, let's actually open this up and we'll see what we have in here. Ready? Oh, 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 ah, oh, ah. Oh, jeez. All right, I'm opening it. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, shit, son. Inside here, we've got, thank you for shopping for PHAT, and we've got, firstly, all of the tools that we're going to need to install this, which is very nice, very nice. We've got some double-sided tape, the sewing material thing right there. Oh my god, look at this. This is our steering wheel cover right here. This is literally everything we're going to need. They include everything we need to actually install this. So as you guys can see, we've gone for the Alcantara, and then we've got the, I don't know what's called, but the leather kind of, you know, that looks really good. And the leather feels nice. And then we've got the centre line right there, which I've always wanted a centre line. Okay, alright, so unfortunately, oh my god, fam, God does not like this new steering wheel cover, Jesus Christ. So I'm going to have to shout over this, unfortunately, but we're going to have to go on a time lapse anyway in a bit. But we've obviously got this new steering wheel cover on. It looks very disgusting right now, obviously, because it's so loose. So firstly, it is all in line, I believe. We'll have to do a little bit of adjusting, but the next thing we do, I believe, also, is use this fancy little tool to poke everything into the little grooves. I've tucked it in very, very nicely. Centre line is kind of centre at the moment, I'm not 100% sure, but there we go. I've tucked it in behind the plastics, as you guys can see. Honestly, I might start stitching today and I might finish it off tomorrow, purely just because of the thunder and lightning, but I can get a little bit of practice in before we do the full thing. Yeah, I'm so happy with the materials, real quick. So happy with it, literally. This is some nice ass leather, and the leather here is just beautiful. It smells amazing as well. I'm a sucker for good quality stuff, alright? After that clip, I didn't actually film. I don't know why, but I didn't. But literally, stitching it, guys, is so, it's actually quite nice. It's like, it's peaceful. But yeah, I stitched the first two spoke kind of things, and I left the top bit for the morning so that I can show you guys after this clip. But yeah, genuinely quite easy to stitch. Not 100% perfect by whatever means. But yeah, actually really happy with how like simple it was. Once you get the hang of it, it's quite simple. So yeah, see you in the morning. Alright then lads, so it is now the morning. As you guys can see, I look 10 times more Asian in the morning than, you know, normal. Right then, so if we hop in the Bugatti right here, I'm about to show you guys the steering wheel, because honestly, I cannot deal with this. It actually looks beautiful. Bear in mind, I haven't done a perfect job because literally this is my first time doing it. I'm not a professional sewer or anything. If you are looking for a professional thing, they do have fitters. You know, on this channel, we do all the mods ourselves. So I'm going to show you guys the results. It's not 100% perfect. There is a little bit of dirtiness, and that's bad dirtiness. But yeah, I'll show you guys anyway. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So yeah, there it is. That is half of the steering wheel done. I actually did the, obviously, bottom half first because that's probably going to be the easiest because it's the smallest. And then we're going to move on to the biggest part, which is the top. But yeah, I don't think I've done too bad of a job, if you guys can see. Like, it's genuinely quite nice and simple to do. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have messed it up a little bit. There is a knot right there. Halfway through there was a knot, and I guess you could say that's not good. Ooh! Look at the results so far. That just looks beautiful. I cannot wait to drive with this steering wheel on. We are going to move on to the last step, which is obviously the top of it. It's the biggest one, so it's probably going to be the hardest one. It's going to take the longest. We're just going to whack on some music and just chill out. So I've literally just got extra string on this one just so that we don't run out, and if we have excess we can just cut it off basically. What we do next is we get the end of our thing. And it's just like sewing, like, honestly boys. I've probably got some beefy guys watching me, like some weightlifter, car guy people. And we're sewing today, you know, join in. Get your nan's knitting gear and join in, because it's actually quite fun. Then obviously, get your end of the knot. Tie a knot in it, so that it obviously stops. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know what I'm saying. I'm not very good at this shit. So, once we go through it, it will have a stopping thing at the end. This is going to be very hard to film. So basically you just put a needle through the inside of there, through the material. I just put it right there. And then you go around here and you put it through the stitch down there. Then we start going through these. So we don't actually go through the material, we actually just go through this little stitch. And then every single stitch from these sides we pull. We go underneath each one and we pull it to make sure it's tight. And you do that throughout here, and then at the end, down here, we'll again go through the material and we'll do a little knot to make sure it don't come loose.
Beat foot with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I patted my stack. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Niggas cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn.
Alright then boys, let me do the grand reveal of the new Bugatti steering wheel. Montage in 3, 2, 1.
Lord, keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walk in the building. We get.
Alright then, so here is the new steering wheel. As you guys can see, I've got a nice little ring. There you go. There it is, boys. I've decided to jump on the GoPro so you can see it. Like, oh my god. So you can see kind of like how I see it basically. Oh my god, the feel of the steering wheel. I'm so happy I went with the Alcantara on the side. I was kind of a bit of ashamed that I didn't go for the leather on the side, but really for the driving feel, like this is so grippy. Like that's so grippy, and it breaks it up with a little bit of leather. And I really like the dotted one, you know, and the centre line as well. We've got a white centre line to match the car. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go on a little bit of a drive. Genuinely, like the steering wheel itself, like the steering wheel cover that I chose isn't very standouty. It's not a standout one, it's more of a subtle one. So yeah, hopefully you guys like what I chose. Really like the centre line down the middle. The steering wheel feels so good. just going off the feel of the steering wheel, not the looks, because obviously when you're driving, you're not going to be completely staring at your steering wheel. It feels so good. Like, the thing is, I keep saying this, but the Alcantara is so damn grippy. Like, wow. It just feels so premium. It feels like I'm driving a different car almost because of the feel. Because obviously you're touching the steering wheel all the time. Like, having a different feeling steering wheel, of course it's going to feel like a different car. And I love that how thin it is still with the steering wheel on, the steering wheel cover on. Oh, we definitely need a new gear knob now. Oh my god, that is going to be beautiful, that is. What? Yo, the noises that come off when you're like turning the wheel. So yeah, oh shit! Stop, son! Yo, I really like the look of the like leather bit. You know, the Alcantara is a bit boring in the looks, but it's so damn nice to like feel and everything. God damn, boy. That's a sexy thing, that is. No one's coming, no one's coming. Sorry boys, I'm just doing a 3-point turn. Alright then guys, so unfortunately, that is it for today's video. Let me give you guys one more little look at the steering wheel. Wow, you guys let me know what you guys think. It's not too much of a change in a way, because it's like not any fancy colours or nothing, but you know what, I think it goes well with the car, especially like the way that I haven't got a full Alcantara steering wheel or a full leather one. I've mixed it up with an Alcantara bit, a leather bit and a centerline. So it feels like I'm driving like a 10 times more luxury car than mine. Definitely want to change this. If this was Alcantara, oh my days, I would totally sit on it. But yeah, go check them out. Seriously, you can make, you know, a combination of your steering wheel. You can even like, you don't even have to buy it, you just have to go check them out really. You know, let me know what you guys think of my results, because obviously, you know, this isn't a perfect job. For a first time, you know, the stitch in it don't look too bad, except for, you know, the 1 or 2 knots that it has. So yeah, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy. Check out FatBits UK. Go design your own wheel. Go send me what yours would look like, and yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff, and subscribe if you are new and you did enjoy today's video. If you didn't, get the fuck out of here. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the support recently. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see their faces in my next video.